We will attempt to move from an from a box mentality in individual groups of service provider and enterprise and the consumer to a total architecture across that, not just for mobility or not just for video or not just for security, but how they will come together. And our goal is clearly not just to lead in a product area or two, but to lead across the industry, and we're talking the whole computer industry, not just communications, and the ability to bring solutions to that.
One of the things that we really acquired when we bought WebEx was not only the industry-leading web collaboration business, but also a new business model that helps us reach into a new customer base with a very, very differentiated experience. Part of the secret sauce, and if you know WebEx as a company at all, you're familiar with this, is behind WebEx is something called the Mediatone Network, which is essentially a Cisco Intelligent Information Network that is used to provide a very high quality of service, very secure, very reliable network experience for users of collaboration software. And going forward, and you caught a little bit of a glimpse of this in the demo that John did earlier today, the WebEx platform will be expanded to support not only those collaboration applications, which by and large we will build, but also an increasing variety of business applications delivered in a seamless experience over the Mediatone network to business customers. You mentioned Zoho, for example. Zoho is actually one of the 50 to 100 members of the WebEx Connect ecosystem of largely Web 2.0 oriented next generation application designers who are building their application to be collaboration enabled from the beginning.
Yeah. And you can see us moving from boxes, transport, plumbing to solutions. Not how does each element independently in the customer systems integrated together in their home or in their business, but how do we allow these elements to tie together in an open standard that breaks us away from our peers? Biggest market transition of all is how do you transform your company to this future? There are a lot of people doing Web 2.0 in elements. And most of the time when you talk to the CIOs, particularly after a beer or two, they will tell you the reason they're doing it is they have not found the innovation from their traditional vendors. And I encourage you to ask that question because they aren't getting it. That's why they look to a Google or a Yahoo or somebody like that for creativity. But those companies do not think architecturally, do not think in terms of the same security approach, etc. So we see an opportunity to interface different to our customers than we've ever done before. And we will do this with a pilot group of 25 enterprise and 25 service providers, with the goal not being